everybody, my name is Palmer, and today we are going to be making a tier list. This is the second video of April 5th. Accelerate faster going down. Like going downhill, I'm assuming. I'll put that in like D. Can only see atoms. That's not good. Read the mind of anyone you come across. That's a good one. What? I thought it was bad superpowers. Read the mind of anyone you come across. Yeah. Oh, it's not controlled. I'll pick C. You breathe through every hole. That's not a superpower. You become invisible except for your butt. I don't want people to see my booty cheeks. Turn everything you touch into cardboard. What if I want to give someone a hug? Feel pain on command? I guess that could work. Tell the exact time through decimal time. Tell the exact time through decimal time at any point. What is decimal time? System where time is represented as a decimal number rather than a traditional number. Oh. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Put in like C. Such a bad case of dementia that your episodes become real. What? I don't know what that means. Doors open 1,000 times faster for you. What if I'm like standing in front of it? BAM! Make perfect actions in Chuzzle. Chuzzle? I don't know what Chuzzle is. I guess this could work out. I mean, it wouldn't be a downside to have it. I'll put that in E. That one's boring. Generate cards when angry. Yeah. Prophetic vision. Actually, that would be pretty good. Count any amount of rice grains instantly. Boring. Summon a gummy bear every Christmas. That would be actually kind of funny. Hair grows extra fast. Boring. Flip gravity when handstanding is absolutely insane. I'll put that on B. Can permanently make anyone's headphones left or right side slightly louder than the other. That would just kind of be funny. Hit stop in real life. What is hit stop? Hit stop. What is hit stop? I guess that could work. I guess I could. After 3 slices of salami, you can turn any inanimate object into a balloon animal. That would be kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. Inaudible when unable to hear. Boring. Change one limb of your body every week. I guess that could work. You turn everything moldy. Mucous membrane around you at all times. Generate extra mucus. I already have that one. Photographic memory of cheese. Ding! You're quieter when building. Turn cooked eggs back into raw eggs. That could just be used for like messing with people. If you see something funny, it becomes real. I don't want that. Piss hand sanitizer. Guess I'm going D. Can make soap versions of anything with your mind. Bro, that's goated. Use hand sanitizer. I'm not. Make water sparkling. I don't like sparkling water. Can fly after eating Subway. Okay, that was pretty good. Incapable of taking any form of radiation and sunlight. What does that mean? Okay. Assuming it's like you don't absorb the sun's rays. Can manipulate people into doing minor tasks for you. You things you don't like taste worse. It's boring. Teleport over to anyone you are arguing with online. Okay, see, here's the thing. What if I have a Glock 19? They're really making me angry. I teleport there. Then just teleport back. And then just have an argument with someone else who's in my house and then teleport back. Can see the trajectory of objects already thrown. Boring. You can take the viewpoint of any extinct species. That would be actually kind of cool. I'm assuming time things too. You can talk to worms. Boring. Worms can't talk. Access to the Forbidden Zone. What is the Forbidden Zone? I'll put that in C, I guess. Anyways, that's my useless superpowers tier list. Some of these are actually kind of good. Like this one, can make soap versions out of anything. Like you can make a soap business out of that. Like my headphones that I'm wearing right now, soap. Well, I can make.